Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 19.5 volts power supply compatible with a range of Sony TV models. If you own one of these Sony televisions and are in need of a reliable replacement power adapter, this product might be the solution you've been searching for. This power supply is manufactured by Huawei under the generic brand and comes with a simple DC plug connector. Its design ensures seamless compatibility with all the listed Sony TV models, providing a stable and consistent power source that matches the original specifications. The adapter is intended to directly replace the original power supply, meaning installation is as easy as plug and play. There's no need for complicated setup or adjustments, so you can have your TV running smoothly in no time. One of the standout features of this power supply is its focus on reliable power delivery. Designed to handle the exact power requirements of the compatible Sony TVs, it ensures optimal performance and helps maintain the longevity of your television. Whether it's for everyday use or as a backup solution, this adapter offers a stable AC supply and is tailored specifically to support the performance of your Sony set. Physically, the adapter measures 6.68 inches in length, 2.6 inches in width, and 1.56 inches in height, weighing just 4.8 ounces. Its compact form factor makes it easy to fit in most entertainment setups without cluttering your space. The power adapter operates at 110 volts, which is standard for US outlets. And you may need a voltage converter if you're using it in regions with different standards. In terms of design, the power supply comes in a sleek black finish and is crafted to provide a durable and efficient connection. It's not only a replacement for your original adapter but also serves as a convenient spare, ensuring you're never without power for your television. The inclusion of fast charging capability also adds to the reliability, making sure your TV receives the necessary power without interruption. Overall, the 19.5 volts Sony compatible power supply offers a combination of reliability, simplicity, and compatibility. Its universal fit across multiple Sony models, straightforward installation, and stable power delivery make it a practical choice for anyone looking to replace or back up their original TV power adapter. Whether you're dealing with a malfunctioning original adapter or simply want a spare on hand, this product provides an effective solution to keep your Sony TV running at its best. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product breakdowns from Product Critique.